Hello everyone, myself Professor R.K. Pawar from MSG College, Malegaon Camp, Malegaon. In the previous lectures, we have seen chapter number 4, alkyl and aryl halides. In that, first we have seen only the alkyl halides. Now we are going to see what are aryl halides. Similar to the alkyl halides, aryl halides are halogen derivatives. That means they contain the halogen atom. When the halogen atom is attached to an saturated alkane or saturated compound, then it is known as alkyl halide. And when the halogen atoms are attached to an aromatic ring, then it is known as aryl halides. Now we have to see what are aryl halides. In aryl halides, the halogen atom is directly attached to the aromatic carbon atom or aromatic ring. They are known as aryl halides. For example, it is aromatic ring, that means benzene. When it is attached to any halogen atom, then it is known as aryl halide. The halogen atom is chlorine, therefore it is known as chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene, and it is aryl halide. Similarly, bromobenzene, it is bromobenzene. It is iodobenzene. These compounds are known as aryl halides. Now we will see the nomenclature of these aromatic halides. Same here. First, the name of halogen atom, it is chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene. If the number of halogen atom are increases, then we will give the IUPAC nomenclature system like this. When the compound is like this, there are two chlorine atoms are present on the same benzene ring, then we should give the numbering like this. It is carbon number 1, it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The carbon number 1 and 6 has chlorine atom, therefore its nomenclature is 1,3-dichlorobenzene. Similarly, the compound is aromatic compound having two halogens, bromine. Now first we will give the numbering to this compound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it is 1,4-dibromobenzene. 1,4-dibromobenzene. Another example for these aryl halides, Cl. Now, while giving numbering to this aromatic compound, we will start with this carbon atom. It is carbon number 1. When we give number from this side clockwise, it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The second chlorine atom gets 6 number, and from left hand side anti-clockwise direction 1, 2. The second chlorine atom gets number 2. Therefore, least possible number is possible from anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, we will give numbering from anti-clockwise direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is 1,2-dichlorobenzene. Okay, this is a nomenclature. Again, there are some more examples. When there are 3 halogen atoms like this, again numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 3 halogen atoms attached to only a single benzene ring. Then we will give the numbering first, and then the IUPAC nomenclature is 1, 3, 4 tribromo-benzene is the IUPAC name. 1, 3, 4 tribromo-benzene. Another example it is Cl, 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 Cl. If there are 4 chlorine atoms, then again numbering from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5 tetrachlorobenzene. 1, 2, 4, 5 tetrachlorobenzene. Okay. Now we will see the preparation of aryl halides. In that first method, preparation of aryl halides, it is Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer's reaction. In Sandmeyer reaction, the diazonium group is replaced by chlorine or bromine atom when it is treated with cuprous halides. And in this reaction, first these aromatic amines are treated with NaNO2 and HCl, then it is get converted into an diazonium salt or diazonium chloride. When this diazonium salt is treated with any cuprous halide, that means the cuprous chloride or cuprous bromide, it is then converted into an respective aryl halides. We will see how this Sandmeyer reaction takes place. First, we will take the starting compound, it is aromatic amine, primary amine, it is aniline. When aniline is treated with NaNO2HCl, NaNO2HCl, sodium nitrite plus HCl, and it forms HNO2, nitrous acid. This nitrous acid convert this aniline into an diazonium salt like this. It is N2 plus Cl minus. It is known as diazonium salt. And when this diazonium salt is treated with cuprous chloride, this diazonium group is get replaced by this chlorine atom, and we get the product, it is chlorobenzene, and it is known as the aryl halide chlorobenzene. Same reaction, we can synthesize the chlorobenzene using this diazonium salt. When this diazonium salt is diazonium salt N2 plus Cl minus, it is treated with cuprous bromide Cu2Br2, then replacement of this diazonium group by this bromine takes place, and we get the product, it is bromobenzene, that means the aryl halide, bromobenzene. Again, if this diazonium salt is treated with potassium iodide, we get the product, it is iodobenzene. Similar for the preparation of iodobenzene, this diazonium N2Cl minus, diazonium salt is treated with potassium iodide, then replacement of this diazonium group by this iodine takes place and we get the product, it is iodobenzene. It is one of the method for the preparation of aryl halides. In the second method, aryl halides can be prepared by directly reaction of this aromatic ring or benzene with halogen atoms like this. When benzene is treated with chlorine, it is get converted into an chlorobenzene plus HCl. Chlorobenzene. Simple chlorination reaction of benzene, formation of aryl halide. Now we will see the reactions of these aryl halides. First reaction, it is chlorination. When these aryl halides, chlorobenzene, is treated with chlorine, then it undergoes chlorination reaction. We know that this chlorine atom is electron rich. It shows electron donating resonance effect. Because of its electron donating resonance effect, this aromatic ring is electron rich. Therefore, it undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction at ortho or para position. Therefore, there are two possibilities of the product. One product with at ortho position and one product with chlorine at para position. Two types of the products. Cl. It is 1,2-dichlorobenzene plus one more product. It is 1,4-dichlorobenzene and it is the major product. Out of the two products, 1,2-dichlorobenzene and 1,4-dichlorobenzene, 1,4-dichlorobenzene is the major product because of the two bulky groups at adjacent position. There is steric crowding, steric repulsion between these two electronegative atoms. Therefore, this 1,4 position product, that means the 1,4-dichlorobenzene, is obtained as the major product. Now we will see the second reaction. It is nitration reaction. In nitration reaction, when the chlorobenzene is treated with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated H2SO4, then the nitration of this aromatic ring, that means the aromatic halide, takes place at ortho and para position because these halogen atoms are ortho para directing. They shows electron donating resonance effect, and respective to this halogen atom, these ortho and para positions are electron rich. Therefore, electrophilic substitution reactions mostly takes place at the ortho and para position. Again, we get two types of the product. One product in which the NO2 group, nitro group, is attached to ortho position, and in one product the NO2 group, that means the nitro group, attached to para position. First product, when the incoming nitro group is attached to ortho position, it is 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene. In the second, the NO2 group is attached to the para position. It is 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene and it is the major product. Again, same. When NO2 and chlorine are present on the adjacent carbon atom, both are the bulky groups. There is steric repulsion between these two groups, and when they are apart from each other at 1,4 position, there is less steric hindrance, and the product is obtained as a major product. Therefore, between the two products, 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene and 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene, the para product is obtained as the major product. Now we will see the third reaction. It is sulfonation reaction. Third reaction is sulfonation. Sulfonation. When chlorobenzene is treated with concentrated H2SO4. When it is heated with concentrated H2SO4, then sulfonation takes place. Again we get two types of the products. It is ortho and para. SO3H, it is ortho product. It is 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. And second product is the para product. It is 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid, and it is the major product. Out of the two products, the para product is obtained as the major product. Okay. Now we will see another reaction of aryl halides. It is fitting reaction. Fitting reaction. Aryl halides undergo the coupling reaction. When aryl halide is treated with sodium metal in dry ether, then it forms the coupled product, and this reaction is known as fitting reaction. Let's see. When 2 moles of aryl halides, suppose it is bromobenzene, when it is treated with sodium metal in dry ether, then there is coupling of these two aromatic compounds takes place, and we get the product. It is like this. Diphenyl compound plus NaBr, 2 moles of NaBr. This reaction is known as fitting reaction. Next reaction, it is Wurtz fitting reaction. Wurtz fitting reaction. In this Wurtz fitting reaction, 1 mole of aryl halide reacts with 1 mole of alkyl halide in presence of sodium metal in dry ether. Then there is formation of aryl alkyl takes place. It is known as Wurtz fitting reaction. Let's see the example. It is bromobenzene. When it is treated with methyl bromide in presence of sodium metal in dry ether, then there is coupling of this aryl group and this alkyl group takes place, and we get the product. It is aryl alkyl. It is toluene. Or it is methyl benzene. It is the product. Next reaction, the Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation, these reactions are also possible using aryl halides. Any aryl halide, for example, chlorobenzene. When chlorobenzene is treated with methyl chloride in presence of Lewis acid catalyst, it is AlCl3. Then there is substitution of this methyl group on this aromatic ring takes place. Again, there are two possibilities because chlorine atom is orthopara directing. We get the two products in which the first product having ortho substituent and second product where the substituent is present at para position. It is minor product and this product is the major product. This reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction of aromatic halides or aryl halides. Okay, and its name is 1-chloro-2-methyl-benzene and it is 1-chloro-4-methyl-benzene. Similar reaction, it is shown by acyl chloride. When any acyl chloride is treated with aromatic halide, then it shows Friedel-Crafts acylation. The reaction is like this. Chlorobenzene on reaction with acetyl chloride in presence of Lewis acid catalyst AlCl3, then introduction of this acyl group into this aromatic ring takes place at ortho and para position. Again we get two types of the product, Cl C double bond O CH3. It is minor product and the para product is obtained as the major product. It is the major product. Okay, it is 2-chloroacetophenone and it is 4-chloroacetophenone and the 4-chloroacetophenone is the major product.